Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use PIKA art to generate animate AI image or even video. So let's start. So first you need to open PIKA AI at Google and you can choose for the PIKA AI option. After that you'll come to a library where PIKA AI you can generate using text to generate video. So basically we need to have our text to generate our wanted video. So let us input some example. Animate guy fighting in Japan street. So basically you can put your comment in your prompt, and also if you want to have image or even video reference, you can insert it so that the AI will take your image or video as a reference. And also you can choose for the style how does your video will looks like after generate. So I will choose animate for our video later, and also you can add for sound effect. Next you also can go to setting, and setting you can set for others aspect that needed for this video. For example, you can set for negative prompt. So basically you can set the characteristic of the guy, how does the guy to be transformed in, and you also can set for the frame per second, strength of motion, and also for others aspect ratio and others you can set for it. So basically let me show you some of the example I generate. So that your image will be generated out, you also can adjust for the property so that to make it your desired property. You can reprompt it or even re-entry the specified terms that needed for your image. Besides, you also can edit, you want to edit sound effect. You also can sync the lips if the to make the image to talk. So basically that's how to generate out using PIKA AI. Thanks for watching.